This is how to access the keyboard shortcuts area on TradingView. Now you click the command button and / and on the right, the keyboard shortcuts will open. So you can choose, is it chart related, indicators, watch list, your screener, Pine script editor, and so on. Let's go to chart. Now we can see all the keyboard shortcuts related to charts. This is a basic one. Loading chart layouts, saving, changing the symbol, zooming in and out. I use this a lot. So it will be Command plus, Command minus on Mac. That's the one I use. Again, Command, and you scroll in with your mouse. It zooms. And you can just experiment with all these shortcuts by using this area. Have a great day, guys.